In this session, I will explain how to organize the sheets available in your workbook. Like these are the sheets we have and how to organize them and how to protect them, that is main thing. So for that, under home tab we have cells group and format option. Here we are having organize sheets and protection options. See, instead of going and selecting this option, all these options available when you right click on mouse here itself. If you click on any tab, you will get all these options. If you want to insert a new sheet, insert sheet is available. Okay, insert worksheet is available. And if you want to delete sheet, right click and delete sheet is available. Like this insert and delete options, and you can always rename the sheet. Rename sheet. Suppose I am going to rename, I am going to capitalize and rename student underscore 2, then set enter. Like that we can rename any sheet, and we can move or copy sheets. Move or copy sheet means, suppose this sheet I want to see to book, workbook is this one XLSX. If you want, you can select another book also. Before sheet, the selected sheet, if you want to move the employee to before student sheet, you can move. See, employee sheet, now it is under first place. If you want to send it back to last, then again right click, move or copy to end. So again that came to the last place, and again move or copy before sheet student underscore 2. So between these two employee sheet came. Like that you can move, or you can also make a copy of this one. So that is keep the employee as it is, and you can make another copy by selecting this option and move to end. See, employee 2 sheet came, and we have two versions of this employee sheet, employee and employee 2. If you don't want this, simply delete. Like that we can make a copy also. And view code is there. View code means that is macros related code, Visual Basic Applications code. If you have any VBA programming or macro inside your sheet, that code will appear. Okay, that thing I will explain later while preparing macros to the sheets. Okay, now presently there is no code at all. Why? Because we didn't write any code up to now. And we can set the tab color individually. For example, I am going to set this red color to this one, and for employee I am going to set on green color, and for the student I am going to set another blue color. So like that individually you can apply tab colors. Okay, and you can always hide the sheet and you can unhide the sheet. I already explained you in the last session. Just simply hide the sheet, and if you want to get back again, unhide the employee. Okay. And there is an option select all sheets. At a time you want to select all sheets, you can select. There is a purpose of selecting all sheets. So then you can group the sheets also. See, group the sheets. That became a group, and you can select all sheets and you can ungroup the sheets also. So there is a purpose of grouping, we will discuss in later sessions. And next important thing is how to protect your sheet. So that is instead of doing any modifications, suppose employee sheet you need not to modify, or you need not to modify by others. So in that case, select and right click protect sheet. See, here it is asking password to unprotect the sheet, or password to re-enter editing into the sheet. Suppose I am giving some password ABC. See, it is also having some options that is allow users of this workbook to selected locked cells only. He can select unlocked cells only can select, and if you want to allow him, you can allow formatting, and you can format columns, insert columns. The particular options you can allow them if you want. I don't want any options, I don't want to give any options. See, protect worksheet and contents of locked cells. By default all cells are locked. See, any cell you go and select this, click on any cell. So there is an option locked cells, already locked. This locked cells will work only if you protect the cell. If you unlock cell means the protection, see this one, this particular one unlocked right now. Now go on, see there, again you can lock. Right now what I am going to do is, I am going to apply protect sheet ABC, okay, and again it is asking same password ABC I am giving, okay. The sheet protected, okay, and you cannot enter. I am trying to enter, it is giving message that that sheet was protected like that, but still you can enter in student sheet. Why? Because this is another sheet, just you locked only employee sheet. If you come into employee sheet, see all options disabled, you cannot do anything, okay, you cannot do anything. Only you can enter the data in this particular cell. Why? Because this particular cell unlocked, this is not locked cell. Remaining cells are you cannot enter, you cannot do anything. This particular cell you can enter. Why? Because the cell is locked cell, not locked cell, okay. So right now if you want to unlock again, unprotect again, unprotect sheet, again enter ABC password. Now see all options became active. See, in this particular cell only unlocked. Now I am going to make this one also locked. Next time if you protect, even you cannot enter into this particular cell also. Under 69, again I am protecting the cell sheet ABC, ABC. Now see, even this cell also will not allow you because that is locked cell. Locked cell activates only if you protect your sheet. Okay. So you may ask how to protect total sheets. If you have to protect individual sheets and you have to protect entire workbook, that is different. So I am protecting individual sheets using this particular option, and I can unprotect sheet by using the same password. You must remember the password first, keep in mind. Okay, so like that you can protect your sheet and you can manage your sheets in the workbook. Okay,